did you do that, girl? No, right. To take my money. To take my money. Okay, now it's kind of funny, but